everyone! Let's quickly see how to post a photo on Instagram from your computer. First, open www.instagram.com and make sure you're signed in. Click the plus Create icon on the left-hand menu. Then select Select from Computer and pick the photo you want to upload. Click Open to add it to Instagram. You can edit your photo, apply filters, and then click Next. Add a caption, tag people, and set a location if you want. Finally, click Share. That's it. Your photo is now live on Instagram. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips.